welcome to BTech. It's Basil here with a full HD video sample shot on the Nokia Lumia 830. We're going to test out a fair few things. So the first one is going to be exposure, and you can see we've got a pretty bright sky up at the top, so let's point directly at it. You can see the buildings still look like they're grabbing a fair bit of detail, although it seems to be giving some focus issues to the camera, pointing at some very defined content. The focus issues are going away, and back to the skyline, and yeah, the skyline seems to be throwing focus off a little bit, right up at the sky and back down to the ground and to something significantly darker. You can see exposure compensation and white balance shifting are all pretty on point. So going back to that focus, we can actually pull in close to an object and test out macro. So right here, you can see hopefully it'll lock focus on something quite close to us. There you go, it's done that. And it's delivering a fair amount of depth to that scene. Moving objects. Moving up, and we can now test out the digital zoom. So we're going to try and do that with the volume keys to start off with, and that controls volume, so it's clearly pinch to zoom, so we can pinch on the screen. Now what's always really nice about Nokia phones, right through from the 808 PureView, pinching to zoom was always a very slow measured process, so it looks like you've got a almost SLR contraption twisting that lens very smoothly. With that optical image stabilisation, it's keeping everything nice and still, even at the 3x zoom. So just pan across the skyline once more, A, because it's pretty beautiful, and B, so that you can gauge exactly how the phone fares, pointing down, and you can see how the Nokia Lumia 830 performs in full HD video. Hopefully you've enjoyed. If you have, click that like button. If you like BTech in general, click subscribe. Thanks for watching.